Good morning, class. This is Sonal, your social science teacher. I hope you all are doing very good. Today we will revise block 21, our Earth. Be ready with all your essentials. Pause the video, study the block thoroughly. Underline the important sentences and difficult words of this block. Study the block, come back again. So you need to describe the shape of the Earth and explain what is rotation and revolution. So what do you understand by the shape of the Earth? The Earth is spherical like an orange. It is not spherical like a ball because it is like an orange. Why? Because it bulges at the center and flat on the top and bottom. And there is an imaginary line drawn around the globe or the shape of the Earth, means an imaginary line which is drawn and divide the globe or the Earth into equal parts. This is imaginary line, okay? We cannot see these lines on the Earth or on the floor. You need to imagine it in a globe. You can see this line on a globe. So the line that divides the globe into equal parts is called equator. And the flat end at the top is North Pole and the flat end at the bottom is the South Pole. And how do we know this much about the Earth? We know by the pictures taken by astronauts, because astronauts travel to the space in their spacecrafts and collect information about the universe. And what is rotation and revolution? Rotation and revolution are the two movements of the Earth. So when the Earth spins around its axis like a top, okay? When Earth spins like a top in its axis, the axis is not straight, it is tilted. You can see in the picture given on your content book. So as the Earth moves around the Sun, the tilt of the axis is fixed and does not change. This is called rotation. So when Earth moves or spin like a top, this movement of the Earth is called rotation. And during rotation, the tilt of the axis is fixed and does not change. Revise it again. When the Earth spins like a top, this movement is called rotation. And while rotation, the axis is tilted, means it is not straight, it is bent a little bit. And axis is always fixed, does not change, means Earth rotate in a same point. That point never changes. And what is revolution? When the Earth moves around the Sun in a fixed path or orbit, we can say. Path of the Earth, we can say orbit. While rotating on its axis, at the same time, Earth moves around the Sun. This movement of the Earth is known as revolution. And the shape of the orbit or path is oval. And what is the difference between rotation and revolution? Rotation is the spinning of the Earth on its axis. Rotation takes 24 hours for the Earth to spin and complete one rotation on its axis. The Earth rotates from the west to the east. And that's why the Sun rises in the east and sets in the west, because Earth rotates from the west to the east. And rotation causes day and night. And how we can describe it? The half of the Earth that is facing the sun rays will experience day, while the half of the Sun that is away from the sun rays will experience night. The part of the earth that faces the sunlight will experience day, and the part of the earth that faces away from the sun will experience night. And what is revolution? Revolution causes different seasons. The earth takes 365 and 1/4 days or 1 year to complete one revolution around the sun. The tilt of the earth remains the same even when it revolves around the sun. And how revolution causes season? Earth takes 1 year to complete one revolution, and while revoluting, the part of the earth that faces the sun will have summer. The part of the earth that faces away from the sun will have winter, and in between there will be spring and autumn. Now answer, what is atmosphere? How it is helpful for us? What do you understand by the surface of the earth? So what's your answer? What is atmosphere? Atmosphere is a layer of air surrounds the earth and acts like a blanket for the earth, and that blanket or the layer of air covers the earth and protect the earth from harmful rays of the sun. The atmosphere keeps the temperature of the earth suitable for life to exist, and the air in the atmosphere helps us to breathe. And without this layer of air or atmosphere, there will be empty space outside this layer, or outside this atmosphere there will be empty space without air. So how atmosphere help us? It protects from harmful rays of the sun, maintains temperature of the earth, provide air to breathe, and acts like a blanket that protects the earth from the harmful rays of the sun, and acts like a blanket for the earth. Now, what do you understand by the surface of the earth? Surface of the earth is made of land and water. It is 3-part water and 1 part land. Surface of the earth provide land and water to live, and earth is called blue planet. It looks blue from space because of the amount of water, because 3 part of surface is water, and all life exists on the earth's surface. And surface of the earth provide us place to build houses, to grow crops, and it is home for aquatic animals and home for us also, because it provide us a base to build houses. And why do you think that earth is our home? What do you understand by this? What's your opinion? You can answer by yourself. Why is the earth our home? Because the earth is the only known planet that supports life. The presence of land, sunlight, water and air together support life on the earth. And the earth is home to all living beings. And why should we keep the earth clean? So that we do not fall sick, and to live a happy and healthy life. We should keep our environment, or we should keep our earth clean. And how we can keep the earth clean? There are some ways to help our earth. Is that turn the light off when not in use, recycle things, plant a tree, use both sides of the paper, eat less processed food, because processing of food requires a huge amount of plastic and non-biodegradable waste to pack these food, and these food contains chemicals also. So these plastic and non-biodegradable waste and chemicals can take thousands of years to break down, and which is not good for our earth. And we should stop buying bottled water, drive less, walk more, use public transport, use CNG vehicles, turn off your computer at night, use fluorescent bulbs, for example LED bulbs, and bring reusable shopping bags. These are some ways in which we can help the earth. And this is Did You Know of Block 20? Yuri Gagarin was the first person to travel to space in 1961. The spacecraft Apollo 11 landed on the moon on 20th July 1969, and Neil Armstrong was the first man to step on the moon. And Did you know of Block 21? Many years ago, people thought that if they would travel beyond the edge of the earth, they would fall into empty space. So a famous explorer called Magellan decided to prove that the earth was round. Explorer is a person who roams around to discover new things or to know about new things or different things. So in 1519, Magellan sailed from Spain on a journey around the earth. The ship returned to Spain in 1522, proving that the earth is round, because he returned back from where he started. So that proves that the earth is round. And this is your work for today. Question 1 is, write any 3 differences between rotation and revolution. Next is, why should we keep the earth clean? Next question, which factors support life on the planet Earth? If you have any doubt, you can ask. Complete your work properly. Take care everyone. God bless.